Trans fats are not something that naturally exists. They're created in the lab as a way to achieve fat flavor, but by creating it more cheaply. And so that's stuff that you'll get in highly processed foods like potato chips, things like that. And those have all sorts of different negative health impacts as well. So of all of them, the unsaturated fats are the healthiest type and the kind that you want to be increasing in your diet. One of the most common misconceptions about fats is that we want to avoid them altogether, and that's completely wrong. Fats are essential for the way your body works. The cell membrane is composed of lipids, of fats. The myelin, the sheathing around your neurons, which helps your brain cells communicate, is composed of fat, so you need it in your body to work properly. You just want to make sure it's the right type and it's coming from healthy sources, and of course it's in a moderate amount. Proteins are another source of macronutrients, and they're composed of smaller pieces called amino acids. There are 20-something different amino acids that can be put together in different orders and make completely different proteins. One of the reasons it's really important to get proteins is because some of those amino acids your body cannot synthesize itself. Those are called the essential amino acids. You have to get them by eating them. You can't make them yourself. And you need those building blocks because everything that's done in your body is done by proteins. There are two main groups of carbohydrates. There are simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates are what we think of as sugar. They're those glucose, fructose, galactose, all sorts of different forms that come in fruits, that come in milk, that come in as refined sugar. And those get metabolized really, really quickly, and they can cause spikes and then drops in your blood sugar level, which becomes more of a concern if you start talking about diabetes. Complex carbohydrates, you take those simple carbs and link them together in long chains. So that's when you think about grains like bread or pasta, potatoes, things like that. They have those long starches, many groups of single sugars linked together, and so that takes a little bit longer to break down and it stays with you.